Hey everyone, this is Kinsey Reaction. Yes, I'm about to leave for my trip. Oh my god, it's finally here, everyone. So I'm still in my room and just preparing, and I got all of my stuff in my bag. And right now, yeah, it's like 8 p.m. Sorry, 8 a.m. like in my room. I just woke up and try to like be as calm as possible. So super excited for this trip. From now on, I'm just gonna be showing like my videos, images on the trip to Japan, and I'm just definitely very excited. So I'll see you guys there on my way, and I'll try to. I don't even know where should I ended the video, but it has to be the timing that I'm going to be arriving to Japan, either in airport or either like at my hotel rooms. So I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, I finally got very tired because I have to after the flight I managed to go to my hotel. I still went to do a little bit of traveling. I went to Asakusa, which is that very big light moon kind of like temple, and I actually went inside to do some sightseeing at the at the very beginning, like at the after the official arrival of me in a hotel. And right now you can see that I'm just really tired, so I want to go to sleep as soon as possible. So alright, thanks guys. This will be my first day, and I'll continue to be do my everyday routines from now time to time. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my tomorrow's reaction videos. See you guys.